Sorry about the audio. It will be better in future videos, I promise. Okay, face reveal. What's up guys, the Hackspot here, and today I'm going to be talking about the Apple AirPods Pro and should you upgrade? Or if you don't have any AirPods at all, which one should you buy? Should you buy the regular AirPods or buy the Apple AirPods Pro? So in this video I'll be covering everything. I'm so excited for these headphones. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so first off, before I start, please don't roast me too much. I really don't show my face that often in videos, but I feel like it would work in this one. So yeah, and I know I've got some panels missing. They just fell apart. So this one might fall apart again. But anyways guys, so let's go and talk about this. So there's actually a lot new with the Apple AirPods Pro. It's not an incremental upgrade like with the last new AirPods. I'll be calling those the AirPods 2. But it should be called the AirPods like 1.5 because again, nothing was new. Besides like a wireless charging case, other than that, nothing else was new. But with these, there's actually a lot. So first off, Apple really emphasized active noise cancellation. So they did state that these are the only in-ear headphones to actually have real active noise cancellation in them. So basically what this does is any outside noise in your environment will be eliminated with these microphones on these headphones. So all you hear is your music or your podcasts or your phone calls, and that is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait. So how this works is that there's an outward facing microphone that detects external noise and basically eliminates it using what Apple is calling anti-noise. And there's also an inward facing microphone that detects noise in your ear that's unwanted, any unwanted sound, and also eliminates that using unwanted noise as well. So really incredible stuff. Now the microphone itself also does have mesh over it, so it's covered by mesh. So if you're in a windy environment, like so let's say you're outside, it's very windy, and you're trying to talk to someone on the phone using a microphone on your AirPods, you'll actually get better quality and like clarity because the wind sound will be eliminated with this mesh. So that is cool too. Oh yep, see my panel just fell. I'm just gonna leave it. But anyways, this active noise cancellation is adjusted 200 times per second. And also, how it works is by adjusting the low and mid frequencies. So again, you'll get just pure rich sound in your ear. You won't hear any external noise. So if you're on your bus, if you're on a commuter, like on a light rail, anywhere at the public place, you will just hear music, and that is amazing. Now, of course, not only does it work with the music, but it also works with phone calls, podcasts, or it's anything that's playing through your AirPods. Now there's also a mode that Apple is calling transparency mode. So basically if you want to hear what's actually going on in the outside environment, like you're talking to someone but you do not want to take out your AirPods, then you can just go ahead and just do what I call a force pinch. I don't know what it's actually called, but that's what I'm be calling it. And with that, it activates transparency mode so you can hear what's going on in your outside environment. It turns off active noise cancellation, and this is really cool too. So if you want to hear like if your bus stop is coming up or anything like that, you can just hear that as well. Now the AirPods Pro also do have the H1 chip, which powers Siri, but also again the active noise cancellation. And these new AirPods Pro also do come with 3 different tips: small, medium, and large for different ear types. So it's not like the regular AirPods where it's just like one size fits all. It has custom ear tips that are made out of silicone, so they're super soft, and they're also tapered to fit your ear. And also when you put them on, they click into place. So I really like Apple's attention to details. So when you go and put on these tips, it literally clicks into place. So again, small, but I like that. Now I believe that the new Apple AirPods Pro are intended for long-term use. And this is because they do have vents helping equalize pressures. So basically, Apple claims that when you put these AirPods Pro in your ear, it feels like you got nothing in your ears because of these vents that equalize pressure. So I'm not sure how this works, but it sounds really cool. So I'm pretty sure they can wear these for long times and not get uncomfortable with having them in. And it also has adaptive EQ, so it tunes the music to the shape of your ear to make it more rich. So that is cool. The sound is going to be incredible. I cannot wait to test these out in person. Now Apple claims that the AirPods Pro also do have powerful bass, and this is delivered by a custom built high exertion, low distortion speaker driver. So yeah, a mouthful, but pretty cool, better bass. And yes, these AirPods Pro will feature wireless charging, just like the last one. So, all right, so with that, let's go and talk about battery life. So Apple claims that just with the headphones themselves, the AirPods, you get 4.5 hours of listening time. And with the charging case, when you like charge and stuff like that, you get up to 24 hours of battery life. So this is with multiple additional charges in the case. And also, this is really cool. If you charge the AirPod Pros for just 5 minutes, you get 1 hour of playback. So if you're ever like in a pinch and you forgot to charge your AirPods, just put them on charge for like 5 minutes and you will be able to listen to them for 1 hour, which is enough for like the gym or your run or whatever you want. So that is incredible. Now, aside from all those new features, it does have some of the same features with the regular AirPods, and that is first off that it connects easily using the built-in chip. So all you gotta do is basically just open the case and it will go to pop up on your phone, hit connect, and it will connect very easily. I really like that about AirPods. That's really what made them big, is the convenience of them and how well they work. Now, of course, they do also have Hey Siri built in. So if you say Hey Siri, it will activate Siri, so you can say whatever you want to it. And it does work with audio sharing. So let's say if you don't know what audio sharing is, you have two AirPods, one a friend is using and one you are using, or this is your friend's, and you both listen to AirPods, but you want to listen to like the same music off one device, you could do that. So connect multiple AirPods on your device and listen to them on both AirPods. So that's cool. Let's say you're watching a movie on your MacBook, you could do that, or an iPad. So that is really cool, being able to share your audio on multiple AirPods with just one device. That is amazing. But with AirPods Pro, you also get to do personalized engravings, just like with the iPod Touches back in the days, where you would be able to like write your name on the back with laser engravings, or just like your brand or anything that you want, any text. So this is coming on the AirPods Pro too, so make them more personal. So that is cool. I'm gonna personally engrave mine as well. So yeah, this is cool. But if you want to sell your AirPods Pro in the future, I'm not sure if people buy used ones, but if you do intend to sell them later on, then it's probably not a good idea to put laser engravings. All right, so those are the AirPods Pro. Now, which one should you buy? Now, if you're coming from not having any AirPods at all, you're just wanting to buy a pair of AirPods, it really comes down to budget. So the AirPods Pro start at $249, and the AirPods, the regular ones, with the wireless charging case start at $199, and the regular AirPods with the regular charging case start at $159. So if you do want to save yourself 90 bucks and you are again on a budget, go with the regular AirPods. It's a great product and it's really a bargain. You can find them elsewhere for even cheaper if you go and search around. Check like the refurbished section on Apple's website, or even like Best Buy. They usually have good deals going on, or even Micro Center. Those have like really good deals, so you can get them even cheaper. But if you do have the money, definitely go ahead and upgrade and buy the AirPods Pro. They have a lot of features. It's not an incremental upgrade again. There's a lot new, as I mentioned in this video. But what I advise you guys not to do is buy the AirPods with the wireless charging case at $199. I just do not think it's worth it. For like $40 or $50 more, you get the AirPods Pro. So with so many more features, and this is gonna be like lasting longer, you can have it for a longer time. So why not just chill out the $50 more and get the AirPods Pro? Now, if you already do have the AirPods first gen or second gen, whichever ones you have, should you upgrade to the AirPods Pro? Again, if you're a hardcore AirPods user, use them every single day, and you just love the product, then yeah, go ahead and upgrade to the AirPods Pro. It's gonna be a huge difference, and it's gonna make your life so much better with having like all the new features built in, better sound, better battery life, and the active noise cancellation, and so much more. But again, if you're on a budget, just buy the regular AirPods with the regular charging case and save yourself on some money. Again, just go ahead and search elsewhere like Best Buy or Micro Centers. You guys can find better deals. I found some as low as like $120 at Micro Centers, so that's a lot of money saved. But yeah, me myself, I will be upgrading to the AirPods Pro because I do use these every single day. It's like my favorite Apple product, so I'm like, why not? I know it's expensive, but I'm using them again every single day, so it's gonna be awesome. Now, the only thing I did not like about the new AirPods Pro is that it's not available in any other color. It's not available in matte black or gloss black or any other color. It's only available in this white. So yeah, that's the only color available, and I'm pretty sure that Apple did this for marketing, because you see people with those white AirPods in their ears and they're just very distinguishable. You just know that people are wearing AirPods, so it's like free advertising advertising. So if you go with like an all black design, it'll be like more stealthy and people won't notice as much. So I guess Apple just kept them all white for marketing. So yeah, those are my 2 cents. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section below. Again, I'm pretty awkward on camera, so yeah guys, if you enjoyed, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. That really does help me out tremendously, and I've got more content coming. I've got some stuff I'm working out, so yeah. And also be sure to subscribe with notifications on. I've got, again, more content coming, so I really appreciate it. We are so close to hitting 500,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Even though I don't upload that much and my consistency is off, I promise in the future I will get better at it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching again. This is the Hack Spot, and peace out.
Look, lately I went missing with no permission, it's part of it. I've been working harder than competition from start of it. Now they looking at me, I see them all through the rear view. Kill yourself to get your spot, then they die to be near you. They think that I made it, cause I made it past them. They were never the target, my target is past